Hey, it's Cam. We're going to look at the LEXIVON Butane Micro Torch. Now, this is the multi-tool kit, okay? It comes with your instructions and all the little pieces in here, okay? We're going to go through that in a second. This actually comes with a nice little stand, which comes right here in the kit. You take it out and you put it on the bottom of your gun. Now, it comes with your two little wrenches, your flame guard, deflector. You've got the hot knife, you've got the head catalyst, you've got the hot blower, the standard tip, and diagonal. I call this a 45 degree, and this is your chisel. And a little tray with some sponge in the bottom, so when things are hot, you put it in here. Okay, now the gun itself, it's pretty simple. There's a lock button here. And to turn that on, you just flick that over like that, and get her going, right? And boom, you got fire. All right, we're gonna do some demonstration here, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, today we're gonna do a little bit of soldering. We're gonna keep that on the upper, and so as much flame as we can get out of this end. And we filled it with butane, which is right here. Make sure you use some good high quality butane, because you'll start to get spatter and spotter and all that kind of stuff out of the end. Okay, the end we're going to use today is just the straight flame guard, and throw that on there like that. But if I wanted to use a different type of tip, I would take that off, and we would put the head catalyst in here like that, and then we would put that on, and then we put a tip, whatever tip you want, in here and screw it on. Okay, then you take your little wrenches and you tighten it up. Okay, but right now we're not going to do that. Okay, so let's take this off, flame guard back on. Make sure you line up the little white things there like that. Tighten that up like that. Okay, all right, so this here, we're going to push this ahead and then lock it. Okay, now this is where the lock comes in. So you can fire this thing up like that. Then you can lock this. Then you can let go of that. That's pretty cool right there. So we're going to keep that going like that. I've got the wires here already go. I've already put some paste on them. We're going to stick these wires together like that. And we're going to do a little soldering. You want to put the flame on your solder. And just like that. Okay, that is done. Now to turn that off, you just click that lock like that, and off she goes. Okay, so next we're going to put the flame guard back on. We're going to put the head catalyst back on. And then we're going to use the knife, hot knife, okay? And this is one of many things you can do with this thing, with all the little ends you have. So we're just going to try this, and I'll show you how it works. I'm going to put that back together. Make sure everything is straight and on. That's straight. Now I'm going to turn this on again, like that, and just make sure it's running. You see a little tiny glow inside there. All right, we're going to lock this up. Then we're going to let that get hot. Okay, we got this tip hot, and this is just one of the things that I do with this machine. And yeah, like I said, you can do all kinds of different things with all the tips you have and the options you have. and I do a little transcribing. Burn in the transcribe, whatever you want, picture, letters, everything. And I just want to show you how that burns into that. Okay, so we're just going to make a little tiny Christmas tree, so you can stick that in there like that, and then burn that in there like that. You see that? Now that's just burning in there. I'll give you a picture of that in a second when I get it done. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Just burns it right in there. You can smell actually the wood burning a little bit, so you can tell that it is working, right? And the wood in here is black. So, but yeah, it's a nice little handy little unit. I'll tell you what, you can do lots of little things with it. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming off of that, but yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? But I'll tell you what, that thing is hot. Okay, we're going to shut that off now. You just take that lock and you flick it like that, and off it goes. Okay, we're going to put that right there for now. Now you can see how that burnt into that wood. So you can do all kinds of transcribing, letters, the little Christmas tree here, whatever. And you can do all kinds of things with the multiple tips that you have with the butane micro torch. Okay, but all in all, guys, this thing is a pretty cool little unit.